Alright, here we go. So, there was a hell of a storm last night, and you can see that tree there fell. It was all across the driveway. I had to cut it up. It's just over there. Here we got some ice. It was very cold. It's cold and stormy. Oh, here's the branches there. And I've put them all over there, yeah. Alright, so let's see what kind of damage is around the place. I hear there's some damage up here of some sort. But the roads are completely dirty. Here's a trunk falling right in the middle of the road. Gee, that's a beauty. Far out. Far out. That's a big schmackers. Fell on the car. Flattened 3 cars. God, look, the red car's completely gone. Smashed as. White cars. Alright. Gee, if you're in the red car, I reckon you'd be a goner. Look at that. Whoa. What a cracker. Far out. Totally rooted. It's gonna take a lot of digging. Hurry up, get digging, we need that tree out of the way, come on. Wow, there's a big tree down over there. What else is down? That property's looking alright. Some branches down here. That property is looking okay. Those are all good. Not too bad here.
So it's up around here.
There's a branch down there. There's a few big trees down there. Up there. Oh, here's a truck that's fallen. Gee, this one's about to go any minute now. Wow. It got caught on another tree. A cracker. It's just sitting up on another tree. Wow. What a cracker. Bit of a mess. Oh, look at that. That one's got right on the house. Look at that. Fallen right across the front shed and the house. Whoa. What a mess. What was that, a speedboat? Oh, it's got the mower up there on the second level. Gee, the car's still alright. Like a metal frame, like a bridge. Oh, it's got like a up and down car trolley thing with stuff on it. Whoa. I think I heard that one. You could hear all of these in the night. Things crashing, like an ocean crashing, like a big wave crashing. That's what it sounds like when you hear these fall. Wow, look at the roller doors gone. Looks like I've got some edge of the house, just a bit up the top there. Some edge of it. Gee, but look at the is that the roof? Yeah, the whole roof's collapsed this way. Gee, you wouldn't want to be around that when that happened. The brick walls coming down. Wow. Definitely gone that. It's a big gummy. It's just fallen off its perch. What else we got? What other catastrophes? Oh, there's a big trunk on the ground over there. Let's go in this way. That looks pretty clean there. Oh, no. Oh, that's got it. Oh, yeah. That's got a branch across the roof there. as well. This house is looking pretty safe. Oh, there's a few drops here. Look at these. This one's fallen that way and that one's fallen this way. Sure. Sure. This one's fallen this way. Alright, into the line. Let's turn around. Good thing I did my BMW dirt rider training. Learn all sorts of things. Getting out of tricky situations. Oh, there's a power line down, or some line down, just right over it. Oh yeah, this one here looks like a telephone cable. But look at those over there. Oh, it's fallen right across the road. So it was up on this side on the left. Looks like. Oh no. Oh, it's that big tree there. It's derooted itself. Totally rooted itself. That house looks alright. Safe. Looks good enough. Alright, let's get some hockey straps. Got to pick up a delivery. Let's go over here. Our place isn't too bad, just a lot of branches, small branches here and there. Alright, here we go again. Had a storm last night, just doing the rounds. Checking it out. Yeah, this is the main road. Well, not the main road. The main road we used to get in and out. Look at the debris on the road. So much debris. Wow, this road was totally clear yesterday. Now look at it after last night and all the winds. It's just, oh, look at all the trees down there. Oh my god. Look at the debris, just debris everywhere. Hopefully he's clearing up some debris. I think he is. Or he's picking up some firewood. Firewood. Oh, that's what they do. There was a lot more out here. I think they just come back and forth and pick up firewood, basically. Oh yeah, they do, because look, this has been cut off already. This was all on the road, so they came and cut it up, looks like. Yeah, they did, because this was a lot worse. They're pretty quick. People with their trucks and chainsaws just come and collect bits of this and bits of that for their own fires. It's pretty cool. You see? Who needs to worry about government looking after us, eh? You just, we do it all on our own accord, you see? Too peasy. Oh, here's a local guy, Yarra Rangers. What's he doing? Looks like he's cleaning up. What a mess down there. Wow. Let's have a look down here. That road's blocked down there. So it's down here. Yeah, there's a power line there, so it's just here on the right, and it's scooping down onto the road. Now, is it insulated? No, I don't think it's insulated. Oh, it is. I think it's insulated with rubber. I think they have to be around here. Looks like it's got rubber coating. Yeah, they'd have to be around here, otherwise too dangerous. Alright, let's not get electrocuted. I got rubber in my tyres to protect me. Gotta be careful. Good scenery shot, this one from here. Look at that scenery, eh? That's nice. Okay, just going around, going home the other way, see if it's any different. Oh, I better fix this box in the back. I think it's about to fall off. Looks pretty clean around here. Shop area, as you would expect. Back area is where I think there might be some messy trouble from my fudge trouble. I think this trouble this way. Yeah, it looks a bit dirty. Yeah, there's a trunk down here. Whoa, missed the car, that's good.
This is the communications tower area, right there. Looks alright, not too bad. Someone's vaping in the car, that's for sure.
Just a lot of debris around here. Oh, it looks like someone was here. A lot of debris. A lot of debris in that house. Yeah, it looks like there was some kind of work around here.
Yeah, definitely. A lot of debris. Cars have eventually cleared it out.
Ooh, there's some workers there. More debris, just smaller debris. I think the worst is what I saw at near my place. Yep. Correct. That's the bit that's closed off to Ferny Gully. Can't go that way. Bugger. Must be some serious stuff. So how do I get home now? Genius. How do we do that? Let's see. I'm just going further away from home now. Gee. Don't know. Tricky entry. One Tree Hill Road. Oh, that sounds familiar. Oh, I can go this way home. Oh, this was closed, now they've opened it. Okay. Looks like there was a bit of mess here. Yeah, a lot of debris. Wow, look at all the debris here. And there's a tree that fell there, they've already cut it. But geez, messy as. Yeah. Look at this. Messy here too. There's a whole tree. Oh my god, it fell across the house, that one. Did you see that one? Otherwise looks pretty clean the rest of the way. Yeah, it looks pretty clean the rest of the way. Let's take another look at that house. On the side of the road here. Oh, here. No. Where's that house again? Oh, here we go. This one. It's fallen on the house bit. A lot of debris. Now, how do I turn around? This is the trick. This looks alright. Turn here. This one, no, not this one. This one's alright. It's this one. This one's fallen right across the shed. Oh, look at that. The trees come right down across the shed from over that side. Carport. And crashed all over the carport. Whoa. That'll do it. Crack bang in the middle. Whoa. Well, that big one's come right crack bang across.